All right, last one in our box. Hopefully it's not a duplicate. Let's get all this wrapping off. Okay, squeeze. Let's feel for clues.
Drink.
It's a drink. There's ice, there's a cup. I hope it's the lemonade.
Oh, you're gonna kill me.
Oh, it's not, is it? Is it a duplicate?
I think it's a lime refresher.
Ooh. Yeah, I think it's the lime refresher, but that one's really cool. I love the fruit slices. So let's take a look. Flattened. Yeah, some limes.
Nice.
Those are so cute.
We already got that.
I know. I love that one though. So
Could it be mine?
maybe.
Because you
we
already
have
have
this.
that.
This and the ice. So I'm gonna dump in all the lime.
Mom, it's my turn to make it.
Yeah, and then you can put in the ice in the lime slices. I love this one and that berry one. It's just such a pretty color.
And you're gonna let me put the lid on and the straw.
Okay. I can do that.
Because you're only allowed to do one part because it's my last one.
Yeah. So we have 11, I think, out of 18.
Yeah, so we're gonna get a bunch of duplicates lately.
Better stop there. Let's see. Okay, you can go ahead and add some of the ice. I'll lay it here for you. They will sink a bit as they're settling.
And then I'll add the rest.
These lime slices are so stinking cute.
Okay, did it.
Good job.
I want to put a couple.
That's a lot of limes. Now, put the ice in. Do you want any more ice?
No, thank you.
Okay, well I have to, no, I gotta mix it around with the straw.
Okay.
So you can kind of place them where you want them.
Okay, I'll do that.
Hold on. They look cool when they're pressed against the glass. So I'm gonna try to do that with some of them.
Ah! The ice cube.
There we go.
Okay, ready to put my lid on? I'm ready to put my lid on. Okay.
Let's see, we'll put a little bit more on top.
Oh.
I know, it's exhausting. And then we set it in the window.
No, I have to put
I see a lot of people have those cute little UV flashlight type things. We don't have one of those. We're gonna go set it outside and the sun will cure it real quick.
I put the lid on.
Just a second.
Okay.
It's been sitting in the sun and it's completely cured now. It's kind of cool. It gets all warm, dries, and then you can play with it.